Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking Umphokoqo. What we will do first is boil 2 cups of water and add a pinch of salt. Once the water starts boiling, we will then add 1.5 cups of meal. You can use any meal, maize meal of your choice. Cover it up and let it boil for 10 minutes. As the meal cooks up, it'll firm up, so we don't want to add too much meal because then it will be too fine, and we don't want that. We want it to be nice and fluffy. You can dish up and enjoy with amasi, also known as sour milk. Some people leave Umphokoqo to be cold, then eat it. I prefer it while it's still warm. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.